Hi everyone, this is Miss Pipel, and I'm going to give you a brief introduction to me, since we don't get to meet in person for the first time for some of us. I'm originally from South Dakota. Again, my name is Miss Ann Pipel. I'm originally from South Dakota, and I moved to Colorado about 20 years ago in 2001, so almost to 20 years. You guys are going to make something similar to this for your coming of age story. Not exactly, but just to give you some ideas of what you can upload. This is one of my favorite pictures. We were at Coors Field watching a Rockies game, and the reflection turned out pretty well in my sunglasses. This is my absolute favorite picture of the moment. This is my family last August. This is me in the yellow. We were at my parents' 50th wedding anniversary. They've been married for 50 years. They haven't always been living in the same house, but they're still married. These are my sisters. Emily is the oldest. Eileen is about 5 years older than me, and Anita is a little over 2 years younger than me. And this is my daughter, Hannah. You will probably hear her in the background quite often. I'm homeschooling her at the moment as well. She goes to Cole Arts and Science. And these are all of my nieces and nephews, except for my one brother-in-law that was there. And I have a big family, and I love them dearly. Some of my background, my favorite quote, just because it's always been, doesn't mean it should be. There's certain things that I grew up where we didn't travel a lot, and I thought, well, that's just the way it is. Not true. I'm an adult now, and I have been making it a point to travel more and more. I went to Chicago for the first time 2 years ago. Last fall, I went to New Orleans for the first time. And once this whole quarantine thing is over, I'm really going to start planning my next trip. Things that I've also dealt with in the past are depression and anxiety. I thought it was just something I had to deal with. And no, I've got help for it. One of the things that has helped me over the years is running. Never thought I was very athletic, but I'm getting to be a pretty fast runner. I also love dogs. This is the first dog that I had on my own completely, Lola. She just died this last summer, so she was about 15 years old. And let's keep going here. The thing that I am most grateful for is my role as a mother. This is Hannah when she was a baby, my absolute favorite picture. I don't remember how old she is in all of these, but she is absolutely wonderful, and I love being a mom. And you'll probably hear her in the background. Not right now, she's at her dad's, but this was her Halloween costume. She really wanted to be Santa Claus, so she was Santa Claus. Right. Some of my background, these are some of the colleges that I went to, but I graduated from Sturgis High School in 1996. I also went to Wall High School in a small town in South Dakota. My first teaching job was at Elizabeth High School, just east of Parker. Then I taught at Cherry Creek Public Schools, and then I left teaching for a few years. It wasn't the greatest experience. But when I came back to teaching, I've been at DPS ever since. Started at Martin Luther King MLK Middle School, moved over to Florida Pittwaller, and then I have been at DC 21 for almost 9 years, going on 9 years. Colleges that I've attended: Black Hills State University in South Dakota. I did some undergrad stuff at CU Denver, and then I also have gone to CCD and finished some classes there. So just wanted to close this out again with my favorite picture, my family. Education has gotten us pretty far. My dad graduated from high school and then went into the military, and my mom went to nursing school. But all three of my sisters and I have gone to college, and that's huge. So, and I hope that is something that you guys, or a trade school that you have in mind, just let me know and I'll help you out.